Bricks and Burpees tell the story of a construction worker who swapped late nights for early workouts, inching toward change. He fought back injuries, scraped by on tight budgets, and learned patience as scales shifted and muscles began to define his days. Through setbacks like fatigue and cravings, he found a mentor, built a routine, and rediscovered pride in every rep. Slow victories turned into bold milestones as his confidence grew, inspiring teammates and family to pursue healthier paths. Today he celebrates not just weight loss, but a transformed mindset ready to conquer new hills ahead.